Welcome back. We are doing problems in integers. So in today's class, the first problem is the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at a rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? So here we have to find out two things. One is at what time the temperature would be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Below zero means it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. And what would be the temperature at the midnight? Midnight means early hours. That means 12 o'clock. Okay. 00 hours. Right. 0.00 hours. So now the temperature. What is the temperature given? The temperature at 12 noon we'll write. The temperature at 12 noon, it is 10 degrees Celsius above zero, so that's why it is plus 10. It decreases at a rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until the midnight. So here the decrease, the decrease in temperature per hour, just write it is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Until the midnight it decreases minus 2 degrees Celsius. So what would be the temperature at what time? At what time the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay. So now what we'll do is, now the present temperature at 12 noon is 10 degrees Celsius and the temperature decreases per hour will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now what I'll do, this minus 8 degrees Celsius, we mention it as given temperature. Just mention this as given temperature, it is minus 8 degrees Celsius because it is below zero. So in order to do this, what we'll do, see, just you put per hour it is 2 degrees Celsius. Okay. It decreases, but put it as 2 degrees Celsius, but given temperature is below zero. As it is mentioned below zero, I am writing it as minus 8. So here no need to put minus sign. As it decreases 2, let it be plus 2 only. Now what I'll do is, I'll find out the difference of temperatures. So difference of temperatures means at 12 noon the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius minus, and the given temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius, because we need to find out at what time the temperature reaches to minus 8 degrees Celsius if it reduces 2 degrees Celsius per hour. So we get 10 plus 8, so that is 18 degrees Celsius. So now we have to find out at what time. So that time, in order to find that time, difference of the temperature divided by the decrease in temperature per hour. So if you do this, we will get 9 hours. 18 by 2 is 9 hours. So it's the problem itself mentioned that it gives 24-hour clock. Okay. So the time we got is 9 hours. So at 9 o'clock, we say at 9 o'clock, the temperature is at 9 o'clock, the temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So at 9 o'clock the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now after that, what would be the temperature at midnight? So midnight means what? It is 12 o'clock, midnight 12 o'clock. So now at present, at 12 noon it is 10 degrees Celsius. Now we are finding the second one at midnight. At midnight we have to find out. So now the present temperature at 12 noon it is 10 degrees Celsius. You write 10 degrees Celsius plus. Now what I'll do is, I'll write 12. Why? Because now the present time, that means 10 degrees Celsius temperature is at 12 noon. So we have to find out for the midnight. Midnight means again it is 12 hours. Now it is 12. Midnight 12, so it is 12 hours. So 12 into the temperature decreases at a rate of 2 degrees Celsius. As it decreases, we need to put minus sign now. So we get something is wrong. We get 10 minus 24 we are getting, right? So what is 10 minus 24? It is minus 14 degrees Celsius. Next problem. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer, minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and no marks for not attempting any question. So Radhika scored 20 marks, okay? She got 12 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Okay, first we'll solve this Radhika, then we'll go to the second bit Mohini's score, okay? So first, so the first question is Radhika scored. So first we write Radhika score. How many marks she scored? She scored 20 marks, right? Then after that, she got 12 correct answers. So number of correct answers are how much? 12. Then we'll find out the marks for the correct answers. Marks for correct answers. See, for every correct answer, she'll get 3 marks. So we'll do 12 into 3, that is 36 marks I am getting. Right? So marks for correct answers 36. Now we have to find out how many questions she attempted incorrectly. So for that, what we'll do, from the total score, if we subtract the correct answer marks, we'll get the marks for incorrect answers. Now we'll find out the marks for incorrect answers, the mistakes. So that is nothing but so marks for correct answers is 36 minus the total score, how much she got? 20. If I subtract these two, I am going to get 16. So marks for incorrect answers is 16 marks. Now we can find out the number of incorrect answers. So sorry, the number of incorrect answers is nothing but 16 divided by, so for incorrect answers, how many marks is getting deducted? 2 marks. So just do 16 divided by 2. So answer is 8 marks. So number of incorrect answers for Radhika is how many? It is 8 marks. So here I wrote 8 marks. It is not 8 marks. It is 8 answers. It is 8 answers. So this is about Radhika. Now the next is about Mohini. Mohini scores minus 5 marks. So we write Mohini's score. So Mohini's score is minus 5 marks. We write minus 5 marks. Then number of correct answers. She got 7 correct answers. Okay. So number of correct answers. So number of correct answers is 7, right? Then we write marks for correct answers. Marks for correct answers is 7 into 3, because for correct answers 3 marks is awarded for each correct answer. So 7 into 3 will become 21 marks. Okay. So 7 into 3 is 21 marks. How many questions she has attempted incorrectly? So same we have to find out. So marks for incorrect answers we will find. Marks for incorrect answers, that is, see, from the total score, actually the total score is minus 5. Minus 5, you have to subtract this 21. So minus 5 minus 21 is minus 26 marks. For incorrect answer she got minus 26 marks. Then after that we have to find out number of incorrect answers. So number of incorrect answers is nothing but minus 26 divided by how many marks are deducted? How many marks are deducted for every incorrect answer? It is 2 marks are deducted. So divide by 2. So the number of incorrect answers is minus 13. Here one important thing is, as a number of incorrect answers, questions or answers cannot be negative, but here as per the question we got a negative result. But what you have to do is to eliminate this minus sign. We should not have this minus sign, as the incorrect answers or questions cannot be negative. So here how many marks they are deducting? They are deducting 2 marks. So I'll use that minus sign here, so that this minus minus also get cancels. So the number of incorrect answers we get is 13. Next problem. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at a rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? So it is going towards the ground inside. Okay, so here the elevator descends into a mine shaft at a rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, it starts from 10 meters above the ground level and it reaches to minus 350 meters. So minus means it reaches to the ground level inside. So first what we do is we write a total length of descent. What is the total length of descent? The total length of descent is nothing but minus 350 and minus 10. So we get it is minus 360 meters. Then after that we find we write the rate of speed of elevator, rate of speed of elevator. It is rate of speed of elevator is nothing but 6 meters per minute. It goes 6 meters per minute. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find out how long it will take to reach minus 350 meters. How long means we have to find out time. So this time is nothing but 360 meters. So no need to take negative sign because time cannot be negative. So 360 divided by per minute it goes 6 meters. So 360 by 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 zeros are. So it is time is 60 minutes. Okay. So 60 minutes is nothing but 1 hour.